Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here. So inside this video, I'm going to show you 3 side hustles for you to make money online. 3 side hustles that you can do to make money online. There's actually going to be a bonus one at the end, so make sure you watch this video in full. But before we get started, my name is Fergal Downs and I create videos on this YouTube channel that show you how to build an online business, get traffic to your websites, make money online, and everything else in between. So if you could take a moment to go below this video and hit the subscribe button, it would really help me out. And then go ahead and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any of my future videos. It would really help me out. And then we'll get started. Once you've that done, we'll get started with this video. So 3 side hustles to make money online. The first one there, I'm going to talk about, if you've seen any of my videos before, Fiverr is where I make a bulk of my income online, and it's a fantastic way, especially for newbies, to make money online. The method that I'm going to show you in this is called Fiverr Arbitrage. Other people will call it drop servicing. So it's 2 different names for it. So you're also going to be able to see my Fiverr playlist below this video to see other ways that you can make money on Fiverr. So go below this video into the description section and you'll see my playlist where I have all the different methods for making money on Fiverr in there. For the sake of this video, I'm going to talk about arbitrage because it's really easy for newbies to make money with it, and it doesn't take any skill. You don't even need a website. It's a very easy way to make money online through Fiverr. So here is what you're going to do. You're going to go over to Fiverr, and let's say we're going to type in thumbnails. So let's say YouTube thumbnails. There's a ton of these types of websites or types of offers on Fiverr where people will create a YouTube thumbnail for you. So if we just come in here, we'll see a few of them here. We've got this person here who has over 1,000 sales here, or 1,000 reviews, that is. So I'm just going to go ahead and click into this person here. Now, usually about 1 in 8 people will leave a review on Fiverr. So this person has 1,255 reviews. Multiply that by 8. Let's just bring up the calculator. So what did we say? 1,255 multiplied by 8. They have made a total of 10,000 sales, and the price of their sale is $10. So multiply that by 10, and you can estimate that this person has made $100,400 from just this gig alone. They probably have more gigs in their on their channel here, on their profile. Yeah, they have plenty more gigs on here that they're making tons of sales from. So that is the person that you would buy from when it comes to arbitrage. But let's talk about how we run arbitrage ourselves. So what we do is we come back in here to this person's gig, and we're going to mirror the headline. We're going to mirror the offer over here. We're going to mirror the description. Now, when I say mirror, you want to mimic it. You don't want to copy it word for word, because you can get in trouble for that. Fiverr might find out that you're actually just copying someone. So you want to mimic it. Don't copy it word for word, but find a gig that's selling really well, mimic it, and create that gig yourself. What you're going to do then is you're going to double the price, at least double. You can even go to 2.5 times of what the price is. So for this one here, what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to find someone that sells for just $5. So I'm going to go here and type in, this is in euros, so I'm going to type in 6 euros. And these are all the people that will make thumbnails for you for just 5 or 6 euros. So you're going to create your gig, you're going to charge 2.5 times that price, which would be something between like 12 euros or 15 euros is what you're going to charge. Then when you get an order, all you need to do is come on here and you're going to place an order with this person here, one simple thumbnail style, and they charge $5. So you make a profit. Let's say you're selling it for $15. You make a profit of $10 every single time you do this. Now, there's power in numbers with this method. So on your Fiverr gig, you can have on your Fiverr profile, you can have a ton of different gigs. So you can have one for thumbnails, you can have one for Facebook banners, you can have one for YouTube banners, you can have one for, just think of all the different graphic design, and that is just in the graphic design niche there. So you can probably pick out 100 different graphic design gigs that you can put onto your Fiverr profile, and then you just increase the price by either 2.5 or even 3 times the price, and you profit the difference every single time. So you don't do any of the actual graphic design yourself, you just act like a middleman and you collect the profit. Now, putting the gigs out online is just one aspect of this. You need to then draw attraction, draw customers, draw traffic to those gigs. The way to do that is, what you can do is, the first way you can do that is by creating 5 other Fiverr accounts, and then you just buy your gig 5 times from there. Obviously, you're not going to lose any money because you're getting the money, you're spending your $5, you're getting that $5. You will lose the $2 transaction fee that Fiverr has introduced in the last couple of years. But if you're just doing it 5 times, you're just going to lose $10, and that's going to bring a flood of traffic to your gig. Another way to do this is you come over to Facebook, and we're going to go to Fiverr reviews. Now let's see what some of the Fiverr, so we've got a Fiverr group here, which is a Fiverr review exchange group. So if you just get 5 reviews in there, 5-star reviews on your gigs and all the gigs that you want to do, then it's going to have that snowball effect. You're going to get more orders, and more orders are going to bring more reviews, and more reviews bring more orders, and it really, really snowballs. And again, you're just acting like a middleman. It works really, really well. So that is the very first way that you can, very first side hustle for you to make money online. Let's talk about web design. Works in a similar way, but there are other places where you can advertise web design. The first one obviously is Fiverr. So let's go to fiverr.com and type in web design. You can see, do I still have the budget in here? No, I don't have the budget. So you can see there's a ton of people advertising that they're going to create a website for you. They're going to create a professional and responsive WordPress website. Let's see if there's some of the better ones in here. So the price here, you can see this person here, I'll create a WordPress website for €42. So again, what you can do here is you can either undercut this price and create the websites yourself, and I'll show you that in just a moment, or you can do the Fiverr Arbitrage again, and you can advertise web design services and then just up the price yourself and act as a middleman. But if you were to create the websites yourself, and I'll show you that in just a moment, you could advertise on Fiverr. I'm going to show you how to create the websites in just a second. It's very, very easy. You could advertise the websites on Fiverr. If you come over to Done Deal, which is an Irish website, this costs €5 to advertise on here, and you get a ton of offers on here, and people can pay through the website. You got classifieds. If we come over to Fiverr, classified ad posting, you can advertise your service here on classified ads. So this person is going to post classified ads on the top classified ad posting site. So that's going to get you a ton of traffic, a ton of offers here. For $5, they'll post on 60 classified ad sites. For $280, they'll post, or for $26, they'll post on 280 classified ad websites. The next one there is business cards. So when in the past, when I was making websites for people, what I have done is I was in a bar in my hometown and I had business cards created, and the barman, in Ireland, you just get talking to the barman all the time. The barman asked me what I did for a living. I said I created websites, and he asked me, oh, do I have a business card? I gave him a business card, and later on, like a couple of days later, he ordered a website from me for $300. So business cards works really well. Hand them out whenever someone asks you what you do for a living. Supermarkets, at least in Ireland, supermarkets have a notice board where you can post your web design service there. So in the description box below, I'm going to show you the full web design training that I did. So go ahead and check that out. So you can actually create the websites yourself instead of outsourcing. You get a much more higher return on investment. So this is how you would advertise your web design business. In the video below, I'm going to show you how to create the websites and all of that. So go and check that one out. This is something that I haven't done yet, but I know it works really, really well. I've been studying it. I think it is one of the best side hustles that you can do at the moment. It's called ACX Amazon Audible. and Kindle. So basically what you're going to be doing is creating a Kindle book. You're not actually going to be creating it yourself. You outsource it, and then what you do is outsource the narration of the Audible book. So the way that I recommend that you learn this is you come over to Udemy. There's plenty of courses in here. Make sure you only pay a maximum of €20 for these courses. Every week or every month they have discounts. You can see they're $94 now, €94 now. But if you wait a week or so, this price will come down a lot. Let's go to audiobook creation and self-publishing on Amazon. This one has 4.8 stars, 22 reviews. So this is the one that would stand out to me the most on how you can create this Kindle publishing and audiobook publishing platform for yourself. And basically, when you have the book done, the book is out there forever. Amazon brings you the traffic, and then you just get started on another book. It's a really easy way that you can make up to $10,000 per month by just creating and launching books. And you don't even do the book yourself. You act as a middleman again. The last method there, it's the little bonus method, is of course YouTube. I've started YouTube pretty recently, and I'm getting some good traction on my videos, getting some subscribers and getting some views. The way that YouTube pays you is by YouTube ads, and the niche that pays the most is the internet marketing niche. I'm lucky, I'm an internet marketer, so I've been able to create videos in this niche because I'm seen as an expert in this niche. Other niches that pay the best is anything to do with finance. You probably know of Graham Stefan. He's one of the richest YouTubers, and he doesn't have the most subscribers or the most views, but he's one of the richest YouTubers because he is in the finance, the kind of make money investing type of niche, and he gets paid a ton of money. So let's say you're in like a joke niche where you put YouTube funny pictures online, you would get paid 50 cents per 1,000 views in that type of niche. In my niche, the internet marketing kind of building online business niche, I get paid anywhere from $16 for 1,000 views all the way up to $50 per 1,000 views. So this niche pays really, really well. And not just that, but then you can put links in the description to courses that you're promoting or anything like that. I don't have any links that I'm promoting at the moment because I want to just focus on building up my subscribers. But if you look at the likes of Graham Stefan, Greg Kononenko, they have links to offers that they're promoting. And when you get, let's say Graham Stefan, he gets 1 million views per video, you can just imagine the amount of traffic that he's getting to his offers there. So YouTube is a really, really fantastic way to do it as a side hustle. These videos don't take me that much time, and just do what you're comfortable doing. Let's say you're in a niche that could be woodworking or something like that. Just do that. It's not going to pay as much, but the real money from YouTube comes from putting the links in the description and making sales from products, services that you're offering. So that's, let's say for example, you make, for every $5 that you make from YouTube ads, you stand to make $20 to $25 from promoting links in your description. So yes, the money is fantastic from YouTube ads, but it's even more so from promoting links in the description. So those are the best side hustles to do at the moment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you could go below this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, and I'll see you in the next video.